Hi, Mike Wilkinson here, the Value Sales Expert. Welcome to this very brief video on one of the aspects of the PTS model: process, tools, and skills. Before we start, can I just ask you to click the subscribe link? That way you'll get access to all the videos in this series and others that I've already done and will subsequently do. Right, so to PTS, and today I want to look at P for process. And I have to say, I am a firm believer in the need to have an agreed and effective sales process. You cannot afford these days to just go in and wing it. You need to have a clearly defined process to go through. And the way I look at my process is that each element of the process has a process itself embedded within it. Let me explain. There are 4 steps in my value sales process. Step 1 is to make sure that the opportunities that you are working on are opportunities that you would both like to win and that realistically you can win. There is no point moving opportunities into your sales pipeline that don't fulfill both of those criteria. You're just wasting time, money, and effort. Step 2, and the most important step, assuming we've got quality opportunities to look at, is value discovery. In other words, understanding all the things about the customer that you need to know to be able to be in a position to add value to your solution. And value discovery has a process attached to it. I call it the value journey. And it's the way in which we structure our questioning approach so that we take the customer on a journey of value discovery. Now, this is the most important part of the sales process, and it is at this point that ultimately the sale will be made as your customers really answer the questions and sell themselves through the quality of the questions that you've asked them. The next step after value discovery is value demonstration. And this, again, has a process attached to it, a way of going through the value demonstration process so that you take your customer on a journey of discovery, this time to discover how your solution can address the challenges and issues that they face. The final component is value delivery. And this is the point at which you deliver the value that you promised. So there you have it. Within process alone, there are 4 steps: opportunity assessment, value discovery, value demonstration, and value delivery. Now, clearly, it would be very disingenuous to suggest that there's not a mass of things going on underneath each of those sections. And to learn more, please feel free to get in touch and let's talk about how I can help you go on your value journey and begin to understand, create, and deliver outstanding value for your customers and get paid for it. Speak to you soon.